My own creators. Can you tell me what is this? What is this how am I doing here? I just don't know so that how is that taking into my phone? Like what are they doing in the bottom of the ocean in the new update? And why are they in line? I mean like 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 the bone makes sense. The bone makes sense. What is a stack of neat arranged green melon inside sweet green? Like why this one staring into my soul? Why does he have white eyes? What are they doing here? What was that purpose? What do I do? Will this give me a new achievement or is it just there? Just look at it. The eyes are white, like white. Neon creators of the game. What was the purpose of this project? Why did they say? What can we do to get a new achievement? See, they are all grey melon soldiers. They have eyes. What was their purpose? What was their meaning? And why did they come here? Was it just for fun or this or will they give us a new achievement? Somebody please just explain this to me in one like and subscribe. This is so weird. Everything always comes in the new update. Theory 5.5. Remember to like and subscribe. It is so weird. Bye guys.